Title, Genesis 3:14-19, Judgment and the Gospel. Content 3:14-19. Judgment and the Gospel. The whole world is surprised to see the devastation of the earthquake in Haiti. While watching TV, I thought of two things. The situation of the Lord's second coming, what a terrible scene of judgment will it be. Another cause of this earthquake. There are scientific answers, but what is the ultimate cause? In Luke 13:2-5, there is an answer given by Jesus. Today's text also answers this question. God made man eat the fruit of the tree of life through the test of the covenant of works, Genesis 2:16-17. Temptation and the fall are recorded in Genesis 3:1-13, Romans 5:12. Creation and human nature have been radically changed. In today's text, God speaks the word of judgment in the order of rebellion. However, the promise of the gospel, the covenant of grace, is contained in the words of judgment. 1. Judgment on the serpent, Satan, 14-15, 1. Curse, all creation was cursed, and among them, the serpent was cursed more than ever. 2. Grace, 15, it is a curse to Satan, but it is the first gospel promise to us. 1. God says that Satan and women will become enemies. The first-person pronoun I is emphasized here, not a command, but a promise from God. Who is the woman? 2. The second stage of hostility lies between the descendants of Satan and the descendants of women. Who, then, are the offspring of the woman? It cannot be identified with the physical offspring of a woman, Cain. The key to uncovering this offspring lies in the fact that it is God who made the enemy, Romans 16:20. 3. The third stage of hostility is that he is opposed to Satan. It is not a confrontation between descendants and descendants. Since Satan is singular, the offspring of woman also uses the singular pronoun he. They attack each other to inflict fatal wounds. The heel represents a partial wound, and the head represents the target of a fatal wound. Therefore, he, the descendant of the woman, will have a decisive victory over Satan. Who, then, is he, the offspring of the woman? Jesus Christ, the Son of God, Galatians 4:4. Although he suffered wounds on the cross, he had absolute victory, Colossians 2:14-15, Hebrews 10:12-13. 2. Judgment on woman, 16:1, Grace, to have a child. A descendant will be born who will oppose Satan. 2. Curse, it increases the pain in pregnancy and also affects the relationship with the husband, passion and strength. 3. Judgment on man, 17-19, 1. Grace, food. The material necessary to sustain life will be given, Matthew 5:45. 2. Curse, the earth was cursed and disobeyed Adam, resulting in a life of toil, strife. It has become a being that returns to dust. Finally, there was the loss of paradise.